In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically set contacts as non-marketing using workflows in HubSpot. This walkthrough will show you the exact sequence inside HubSpot so you can stop sending marketing communications to contacts who shouldn't receive them and keep your database clean and compliant. Start by opening HubSpot and navigating to Automation, then Workflows. Click Create Workflow from scratch. For this use case, pick contact-based as the workflow type, so you can target individual contact records and use contact properties or list membership as your triggers. Next, set your enrollment triggers. There are a couple of common approaches. One option is list membership. Add contacts to lists such as an unsubscribed list or a hard bounce list, and then set the workflow to enroll contacts when they become members of any of those lists. Use or logic if you're watching multiple lists, so a contact joining any one of them will trigger the workflow. Another approach is property changes. Trigger enrollments when a specific contact property changes. For example, when lead status is updated to unqualified, or when the email hard bounce reason property becomes known. Choose the criteria that reflect how your team marks contacts who should no longer receive marketing messages. If there's a chance contacts will meet your criteria more than once, enable re-enrollment in the workflow settings. This makes the workflow able to act again on contacts who later meet the trigger conditions, which is helpful if someone moves back into a marketing-eligible segment and then later becomes ineligible again. When your trigger is defined, add the action by clicking the plus icon to insert a workflow action. Search for and select the action called Set Marketing Contact Status. In the action settings, choose the option to set as non-marketing. This directly updates the contact's marketing contact flag, removing them from your active marketing pool. Before turning the workflow on, review everything carefully. Confirm your enrollment criteria are correct, and decide whether to enroll existing contacts now as a cleanup step. If you do, the workflow will update contacts already in those lists or with those properties. Finally, publish and activate the workflow. A couple of quick tips. Give the workflow a clear name so it's easy to find later. Consider testing with a small sample to confirm behavior, and monitor the workflow history after activation to verify changes are applied as expected. That's it. A reliable way to automatically set contacts as non-marketing in HubSpot using workflows.